Yama Tifoni Adofuna Kwaba and so some family Jumadi so and that day yet more update and so some ana eat me a day epa Nabibia so eat me akoso kama bedin komo and so the glorious a crowd of folk as well as so and ye bedin komo and so ewanya ye phone say a Asante Kotoko and then Ghana Premier League official announcement to be so at maba ye dinin so etimi edi eba na bibia asoso no etimi akoso kama so etimi ehone first time ahwe dwumadi ya subscribe share for comment no enso so etimi to wase wa subscribe so that so na afi watima like no wa share na the comment no enso so etimi atwase edi amai. We are still celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, so Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Yanko na afi yemfa stories no enso so intimi Matthew for me pacho ene Ghana Premier League match day 15 game back so 8 me baso ebo anwumre no 6 o'clock p.m. na that game no so 8 me e baso between Kumasi Asante Kotoko any BBN Gold Stars Empire ene so betimi edwa. And so 8 me a crucial game I just say and also 8 me basso 6 o'clock p.m. Ghana football. Yanka said the Indian cherish Yanka said the drew her na wait my remote stadium wako game na kama na bibias na kosa me partner oko Kotoko side na nyakoso and it say a 20-man squad Kotoko edi wram enso so etimi akobo etia bibiano Gold Stars na senetie yemfa no kramara san ye wram edi hatofuk ehon komo Kamara Muhammad a goalkeeper Frederick Asari enso so a goalkeeper boy I fona say a Galbani Samba Onel enso so a player sinakan edema a Asante Kotoko Joseph Ablo enso kan defenders no Justice Nkuku play enso kan Henry enso etimi kan Lord Amoa enso so etimi ekan Emmanuel Kote enso etimi kan Patrick Asetu enso so etimi Ednamubi Andrews intim mano enso so etimi ekan Samuel Tenedu enso so ekan J Jamina Michael enso so ekan Kotoko squad no ho afi Solomon Kwakusa ekan ho Avoka aya Akwasi Vitos enso so ekan Peter Amidu Akwa enso so ekan Saka Dauda Wisdom Fernando Basi enso etimi kan Baba Yaya ekan Elvis Che enso so kan anafe Kwampoku Beye enso so etimi kan Tino Kamara Muhammad Frederick Asare Gapani ayes Samba Onel Joseph Ablo Justice Nkuku Blay Henry enso Lord Amoa Emmanuel Kote Patrick Asedu Andrews Intimano Samuel Tenedu Trey Jamina Michael ayes Solomon Kwakusa Avoka Akwasi Vitos Peter Amidu Akwa Saka Dauda Wisdom Fernando Basi Baba Yaya Elvis Che Afi Kwampo Kuntine Kwampo Kuno ebe making a debut di amatima ye fana say Asante Kotoko na bibia so no etimi akoso kama ye de ehon nsam no so etimi ede eba enso so etimi ho na ye da so Kotoko so ye me pa cha onu se goalkeeper fana say Frederick Asari enso still ono so intimi external contract no Emma Asante Kotoko continue likely say Kamara Muhammad na beda go post no san say Frederick Asari play stubborn penifo no enso be play stubborn what asansane ye wo akrabone no na penibone enso so etimi ho achese no so yade no so etimi koso ede ehon nsam no enso so etimi basanso na boya ye fana say justice play masa it's not easy justice play come on egusu no so etimi koso still Kotoko penifo no enya Ennin tumu se omo enso etua 10,000 no ama boy no contract na yetimi extend enso so etimi edi amano ntino egusu ekoso nti yehwe se Kotoko no betima asan anansa mo so intimi extend ma boy no be fitima ye fone sa Asante Kotoko mako Justice Blade ye o ye player me panasa matter we fantastic player de we a oni boni bo ati ase kan Ghana experienced players na Justice Nkuku Blade is part of them. Okay yenwuram our the Black Galaxies aso eni nkomo enso so the black galaxies aswe ene uram so amoso no di party akopiem ewo Nigeria chese me party we no the 10 qualifiers the second league in the first league ne ba so ewo Ghana match say game no and the goalless chese ene day no me party omoso etimi epiem ewo be my so Nigeria na chese omoso etimi akohwe na bibia so etimi akoso na fei the second league no so etimi abaso kama enso why di ehon nsem no enso so etimi banti Albert Amo of Asante Kotoko Benjamin Asari of Accra to Folk Omunyano enso so the black garages camp at some hwenemo se bibia so betimi akoso ntia we show mo good luck se bibia so entimi enkoso emfama omo enso hwafei yemedi nkomo pi enso so all the glorious Accra to Folk as we na fe for official announcement no enso so entimi emfama tie for na fe de ohobia no yemfa to so emfama tie mpacho tieni enra team no training and that is no team no enso ebetimi training the amateam I furnish Accra to Folk na bibia so no team akoso unum se enra players ni nyina so etimi training me players na almost so our contract with team ye furnish Accra to Folk can goalkeeper ye furnish Benjamin Asari the fantastic goalkeeper the best goalkeeper now and so our Ghana just ono so the black garages camp just ono so etimi party asakopiem ewani fans Nigeria ni bi just no so etimi count ono any the only player just say ono so contract with team fans Accra to Folk ono so antimi anye training boy ba ko a just say ono so ye training bet ono ye personal training Michael Ampadu and so personal training ewo team ye fans Accra to Folk but opanye fans Abubakar Watara mo se omuso etimi titin yamase na afi Michael Ampadu and so etimi camp for the first team no na afi wono so be gina match ho edema team fans Accra to because Michael Ampadu fantastic player just born woni mpo ankasa nipa de mfonso na ewo ho den ebeba ati asenti eba so a ni ahwe kwan befa so asiesie se de bia so no betima koso nti Michael Ampadu so no enso etimi ni training kama Salim Adams enso so trainer onim se Salim Adams contract no enso etimi na likely says Salim Adams and so intimate the contract no from my team friend say Accra to Folk patch says Salim Adams kwa no come as a contract will cancel best and no company for trainer boss and senate say me bomb me more kobasa then yet and send a contract ni wa waba extend no and so bit my kakra and we are there no so ko say how to full company for no so push etimi ye and senate say be abon best and the amati my friend Accra to Folk na Seth Osei so contract no guso e konkon ho na Seth Osei no personal terms ya reche the BI reche personal terms ama say Seth Osei agent no and so etimi free approach aba abepiem e Ghana pastor eguso e no so konkon ho munya hwe enti ye hwe de no so bitim sanse Seth Osei nsem no ache yi pa nti no yana yempese be kansem pi because kwa kansem na echina na ache se akwaye bo ache bidin wati ase enti yen hwe de with the recruitment team the management of Accra to Folk no enso betimi aye afa boy for Seth Osei deal no na sanso nra na ache se player ba akoso no enso ni din de aye Indian Sise enso etimi ehwam ewani efani se Accra to Folk camper ono so aye trial Sise ni bi mu enti Sise ni bi so asaba enti kasem Sise wo ho ana say Sise ba akoso aba ono so trial some so giant ati say wo sha bema pa ono so team my friend say Accra to Folk ma ono so ye trial enti ye hwe said ya no so betima ko enti striker makase striker ne de ye pe striker yempe striker sa omu ewo experience ewo Ghana Premier League no oma bog Ghana Premier League we experience omu na betimi aboa club no because foreign strikers ye the more naba nanso ni man koye ewo team my friend Accra to Folk side jasin all mo ye the Kasim system aba Kasara wane Ramos maba stop I bet you one day when you na sabebo hwe place ya bo mutin we mu ba when we fire when you na bo munya hwe ma to Folk but still okay yen try we so nhwe anti oguso try ono ye ne trials o pobima say fama no a ono so betimi assign the contract no ama team my friend Accra to folk right now my can say here trials players we say Barcelona Real Madrid obi aye trials but Madrid a striker pa obeti skad na akoto no de naba onka so me trials ati asenti no ato foko hwe situation e womi a striker akoye de nida no so ye ba akopɛ Hamza Isa sa Hamza Isa ni ho a ye find it difficult ati ase betima shego because asamo aboaten enye de ni expectation no ni say expect na wandru sa ati ase enye ne sa na ye ko first striker mo be trials dia bekwa asa go against the team no team panifo no omo ye bibia munye ne ententem said be ya yensusu no betimi anya bibi fa free players ayesa almost because trials ne de ye the trials na koso a bet ye hu enema ye koso players no trials ne nkwari bi na bia wo ye omo trials ni ahwe de be koso at the end of the day near be team no na be 2 to 3 years no o be club no so o ma mature na almost what my bomb club but now the situation e no e here trial striker at ase penifo no pe striker o mo ko sign striker prolific striker mra yen fa na mo ni nya trials na da bia na striker e be trials pobiman and e be trials in few days na can transfer windows no e be try trials na ko si hwe Seth Osei ha say trials ma to folk no na the contract na kunko no ene yenyi ni bewie echene ni bewie enye ni bewie echene ni bewie trials ni da so ekoso Seth Osei da so to ho ana player we ba ene okopo bi man ya see players kro we Seth Osei kan wa 3 players na che so musu guso mo ye trials ede ma tima ye friend say e Accra to folk what ya say ntinye be trials akosi da be ne Ghana Premier League na sabi emuagoa hanga ye the trials players bo out of folk when you for mo my joy very be nice say for almost say how to folk no very be nice say how to folk Ghana ya o kan ya na ya you say no said you had to folk net here pa na the trials players na guy ye dey how to folk aba the me sign player biasa the biasa be trials oh it's not good na me patch into aso unim say uram enso so ewanya ye fa no se FC Samatesa Christopher Ennin officially almost so etimi assign opanyina ye fa ni se Christopher Ennin ejine ko FC Samates but ye di won komo pi he say no mo say mukọ on be head of technical team no into the first team the youth team and after the women team no ni na so Christopher Ennin and I be the first team and I say on be the head the amomon Christopher Ennin sensemi yana yeka ebe montiase Christopher Ennin yani ni team komo ama Christopher Ennin ba ama tese wo hihia mpanifo ni bi ama nkomotwetwe na akoso Christopher Ennin ba at the end of the day na Christopher Ennin snowball hatofuk ana tese also ekoye ana wasaba Ghana biem oba be sama Samates they are serious they mean business atiase ya Christopher Ennin ho akofa nana ya amankwa ejina ba se nana ya amankwa me assistant coach informative team friend Accra to folk uche Christopher Ennin na ohwe nana ya amankwa why na ko deserve sen ko assistant coach edema to folk nana ya amankwa wo bai ede na eko ye nwuhwe the head coach krampon ye nwuhwe na assistant coach atiase to folk company phone delay tatus okaya ma wonka ebi mu fayaw atiase mo ma yenka no kwancheche ho inti ye tena wasa you say Samates omo bada ben ye dey have to focus ni Samates omo bada ben Samates no 1995 omo team no egura ma 1996 e be official egura ma be sieni plate ni coach team di nkomo pa team sign coach no ama coach na ko aba Samates for team sign no team amfa Christopher Ennin na mepie mo heart of folk akofa na ya amankwa ade na ba say watare head coach na ya amankwa ya assistant coach mpanifu mi no mo ba so a trials na say dey ye heart of folk na kofa player bi football kina ba esi free Cote d'Ivoire ba ye gina ba be trials emfa na woko na we aba emfa no ko na coach naba abonten no abeka ya attackers no then okudwa so no ankoto good attackers results are benya ni no abeka ne de no ko the same coach ana ne won say ye the striker bay where trials opo bi money at the end of the day ne man ko ya the same coach abeka different thing Mama made different story. The same Abubakar made different story. And so I had to focus on penifo no ankasa no now no yen kind of almost say timuno. The pedigree be na start to focus drum now penifo no say timuno because yen timi sign player o the entry players some players had to focus transfer be a bar had to focus akọ mu hu pa intimi nsa obi nya striker intimi nsa striker bia the here say strikers be trials here coach o ani amankwa we ni ayisa Abubakar Watara we mu no omomwaye o wo de hwe yemma enya assistant coach we good piti se Christopher Ennin kasa coach ye peni Nuruddin Amadu etimi piem heart of foka wo de hwenka bia team ne beko Nuruddin Amadu o free Samates or the Samates ebeje Ghana Premier League Watara bai kasa kai kasa obi akasa wonim kasa pa opanyine fane se Abubakar Watara wati ase but yen hwe sa ne ma benya panifo ne to afodi o arms ne hwe no ene man koye wotimi se atofo makao se unya ntobo ase se me se unya ntobo ase hwe atofo tim ne pa ye pa na wo hwe players no mo bo atofo kuno na bi Ghana Premier League makasa Ghana Premier League ni emu nya din anka players o mo atofo ki etim na enye o ekoso aka etim ni nye ye atofo tim enye o odi ye bobo ya hwe duru sometimes ye botinkun sometimes ye botinkun ye more for tactics bia coach no gina chire o more formation bia ya bomb pa say ye we be so football ye 3 points ni hwe but 3 points ni hwe no ni ya mobu wa ko share team ya obe dismantle team no we go animals kra so good players good coach eboa una say players now experience ones ni bi ma always try say be control nkra no cheche nkra no but we dey ni na ko fa trials enti why na ebe control no yonko experience ones no we hifa no be control mo ye trials no but in na about trials na be ka chem say Ghana Premier League experience be na won wo but yempe omo so ebo Ghana Premier League ni acha ombo be chima bo club no adi ase eni mabu wo koso house of kunuma empanifo ni bi ntiase na omo se football no omo football ni nye fe omo out of foot team no nye de because of any ameko yen kan okre yen striker the second round of the transfer window yen striker where perfect striker with pame goalswa the best struggle. I'm telling the truth because the midfield the beka se midfield bebo ebi extra bebo ni nya strikers on be se goals ebe dey ye bobo na ya intman se goal the ball no kwa yakobo ne say tactics be ne yebo ye coach formation be ne wobo tactics be na Abubakar Watara using and this nya striker am kan obetima se goals amaya na ye kwa ne de ye kwa na se buy that a long way to go sampanifona so madria sampanifona edu atogba fede ona BBS unaso ona yaka ehom yenhwe mpanifona omusi ye recruitment matum recommend players matim no for good players now no sa foreign strikers no ye hia omo ye find local strikers no mo ye hia local striker woni bo ne bo betima ma goals double figures yɛmpɛ foreign striker bi aba bɛyɛ na sisi na ɔbɛna ɔbɛsisi ontumi mmɔ hwee and these foreign strikers are behind the history of South Africa. No foreign striker was a rainbow jersey was OCD. But always you continue as I say the goose why did foreign strikers na benti again ya muhu foreign strikers ni edo ba South Africa again pan ya muhu foreign strikers ni and when you that scouting me when you that scouting wow only they be ko scout to players wo every coast Burkina Faso na wo kwa ha na wo for players no ba o masasa no hey asem ye fan sem is because we dey try and try be cancel ma say eno so nya che wadwen merry Christmas.